So thanks to General, our director.
Excellency, this is Classic Center, it's an electrical facility.
Well done. Hongera. Dada, habari yako? Asante, karibu karibu.
CWC, Charity Campaign, 450 that come for weighing and implementation. Generally, where we are right now, this is our general waiting area, where basically.
So far in this facility, Yaratina, you have seen around 3,000 since you have opened.
This is the 7th week of service.
7th week of service. And you have seen over 3,000 patients. Yeah?
Wow.